Welcome back to Money Mindset. We're going to tap into the wealth of knowledge from a highly successful entrepreneur, Alex Hormozi. Alex Hormozi's first tip is all about mastering the art of sales. He believes that the ability to sell is one of the most valuable skills you can develop. Whether you're selling products, services, or even yourself, understanding the psychology of sales and learning persuasive techniques can open doors to immense financial opportunities. The second tip from Alex Hormozi emphasizes the importance of investing in yourself. He believes that your greatest asset is your own personal and professional growth. Continuously seek knowledge, develop new skills, and invest in education and training. By constantly improving yourself, you increase your value in the marketplace, opening doors to higher income potential. Hormozi's third tip is to build multiple streams of income. Relying solely on a single income source can be risky. Diversify your earnings by exploring additional income streams, such as side businesses, investments, or passive income sources. This way, you can create a financial safety net and increase your overall wealth potential. The fourth tip from Alex Hormozi is to take calculated risks. He believes that the path to financial success often involves stepping outside your comfort zone. Assess opportunities carefully, do your due diligence, and be willing to take calculated risks when the potential rewards outweigh the potential losses. Remember, fortune favors the bold. Last but not least, Alex Hormozi's fifth tip is to surround yourself with successful people. The company you keep greatly influences your mindset, habits, and aspirations. Surround yourself with individuals who have achieved financial success or share similar goals. Their experiences, knowledge, and networks can accelerate your own journey to financial prosperity. I hope you found these Alex Hormozi inspired money-making tips valuable. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay money savvy.